Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to download 7-zip and install. You will go to the link that we leave you in the description of the video. There, download the 7-zip file. Once downloaded, click on it. Follow each step of the wizard. You must click Yes to authorize the installation of the application. After this, from the search box, open 7-zip File Manager. In this window, you can have access to the various usage options for the compression and decompression of your files. To see its use, you will right-click on an element, click on Show More Options, and then on the 7-zip line, define the compression method. You will see the compressed file created. Now delete the original file, right-click on the compressed file, open Show More Options, and in 7-zip choose Extract Here. Access the uncompressed file and you will see your available items. Alternatively, from the 7-zip menu, you can click on the option Extract Files, this to have some additional options. In this window, you can access extra options for storing your items. Click on OK to unzip this file and view its contents. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.